Can she soap it? I chose Mad Micas for my colors because they are bold. And I chose Nurture Soap's Orange Cognac fragrance because it behaves perfectly in cold process soap. As I frequently do, I added the fragrance to the base oils before adding the lye solution, so I didn't have to divide it out into each colored portion of the soap later. I did a partial water replacement with coconut milk and added the milk to the base oils. Be sure to use milk that does not contain gum for designs like this. Gum makes the batter accelerate. And for this design, it's very important to keep the batter fluid for as long as possible. For this challenge, we were required to use a slab mold. This is my second time ever using a slab mold. My first time was during my first attempt at this challenge. I actually don't even own a real slab mold. This is the middle-sized tray from a set of 3 nesting trays I got at Walmart. It was $10 for the set of 3. I just lined it with freezer paper, and it made a pretty decent and very inexpensive mold. It's really hard to see the magic happen here. The 2 streams intermingle or kiss and pour as one stream into the mold. This technique can produce a wide range of patterns, but the one we're aiming for in the challenge is feathering with the colors. Once the cups are nearly empty, we're not supposed to scrape them out into the mold, and the only thing we could add to the top of the soap was a little bit of a swirl where the pour point was, so that we could clean up the final look just a tad. Since I don't exactly have a real slab mold, I also don't have a slab cutter. I printed a template to place over my soap so I can mark where to cut the soap into bars, and then I used an inexpensive cake leveler to make the cuts. I don't cover the tops of my soaps, and I did get a little ash on this one. Planing the top of the soaps revealed the beautiful design and bright colors. After bubbling them, they were ready for their close-up. Be sure to check out the video description for information on this month's challenge, as well as resources I used to make this soap, including the recipe I custom built just for this challenge.